Let's check the market. Scott Crothers and Stephen Nicholas. Good morning, sir. How are you?
Doing very well. Good morning, McGraw.
All right, good. Let's get right to it. How did we finish off on Friday? We were down a little bit, weren't we?
We were down quite a bit. Friday, the Dow was down 202 points. It closed at 24,463 as technology sold off. Financials were strong as yields are rising, but we're still down 3 days in a row. However, they were up a little less than 0.5% for the week, so that was a good week for financials. The week on, the yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury rose to 2.95%, the highest yield since January 2014, and almost at that 3% level.
All right. How about Walmart? What are you hearing about them?
Walmart is close to buying a majority stake in Flipkart. Now, that's India's leading e-commerce company. It's expected they will pay over $12 billion for a 60 to 80% part of the company. It will give Walmart a substantial foothold into an emerging market economy with 1.3 billion people.
What's the name of the company? Slipmart?
Flipkart.
Flipkart. All right. $12 billion. That's a lot of jack for that. That's an interesting move. See that?
That's a lot of people, though. A lot of gaining access to 1.3 billion people. That's quite a few people to gain access to.
Yeah, that's a good point. All right. What's this healthcare story you wanted me to ask you about?
Yeah, this is Henry Schein, which is a products distributor. They are spinning off their animal health unit and will merge it with a new startup. The new company will be called Vets First Corp. and will have veterinary supplies, software for practice management, and prescriptions. We are seeing many big companies spending billions of dollars in this space, and just another example of it going on right here.
All right, good. And then Halliburton has been awful quiet. What's the latest with them?
Yes, they reported earnings this morning. They got out to a slow start with some weather issues, but March came back strong. Revenue increased 34% to $5.7 billion, just below expectations. They made a profit of $619 million, or 41 cents a share. This was our first look at the oil patch space. Hopefully it will be a good season for them.
All right. Scott, have yourself a good day. Markets today real quick. What are you hearing?
Today the Dow looks flat. We have a very busy week for earnings on several days. This week we'll have over 200 earnings reports. We'll also get a look at the housing market and get our first look at first quarter GDP on Friday.
There you go. Scott, have a good day. We'll talk to you tomorrow.
Sounds great. Thanks.